बच्चों की दुनिया। हेलो बच्चों, do you know the name of colors that are present around you? Say them with me. Red, red apple. Blue, blue sky. Yellow, yellow mango. Green, green leaves. Orange, orange fruit. Pink, pink heart. Purple, purple grapes. Brown, brown chocolates. Black, black marker. White, white peaches. And one more, gray, gray clouds. Very good. Let's try to recall all the colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, and gray.